The Nikon Z9 II has sparked lively discussions among photographers, with speculation about its potential upgrades and whether it will be a groundbreaking advancement or a refined iteration of its predecessor. Some rumors suggest that the Z9 II might adopt Sony's 61-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor from the A7R5, but credible sources indicate otherwise. Nikon is expected to retain the original Z9's 45-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor, focusing instead on computational improvements rather than making drastic changes to the hardware. This strategic decision highlights Nikon's intent to refine and enhance the camera's overall performance rather than pursuing a higher resolution at the expense of speed and efficiency. The Z9 II is anticipated to launch in late 2025 or just before the 2026 Olympics, positioning itself as Nikon's premier professional flagship camera. One of the most significant upgrades in the Nikon Z9 II is the introduction of the XPET 8 image processor, a substantial leap from the XPET 7 used in the original Z9. This enhancement is expected to deliver faster performance, improved responsiveness, and better handling of intensive processing tasks. Autofocus capabilities will likely see considerable refinements, with enhanced 3D object tracking and more advanced subject detection. These improvements will make the camera even more reliable for capturing fast-moving subjects, a crucial factor for sports and wildlife photographers. Additionally, continuous shooting speeds may experience a boost, potentially surpassing the current 20 fps raw burst rate, allowing photographers to capture fleeting moments with greater precision. Video performance is another area where the Nikon Z9 II is expected to shine. Anticipated improvements include higher resolution options, increased frame rates, and superior internal 8K recording quality. Nikon is likely to refine video compression and introduce advanced codecs, making the Z9 II an attractive choice for hybrid shooters. Faster buffer clearing and reduced processing lag will further enhance the shooting experience, ensuring seamless performance in high-pressure environments. These refinements reinforce the Z9 II's appeal as a top-tier tool for professionals specializing in sports, wildlife, and event photography. While the Nikon Z9 II will undoubtedly receive meaningful internal upgrades, it is not expected to be a radical departure from its predecessor. Instead, Nikon is likely to follow its traditional strategy of incremental flagship improvements, similar to the transition from the D5 to the D6. This means that while users can expect performance refinements and feature enhancements, the core hardware, including the sensor, will likely remain unchanged. However, the Z9 II will inherit an upgraded electronic viewfinder from the newly launched Nikon Z6 III, boasting a 5.76 million dot resolution. This enhancement will provide a more detailed and immersive viewing experience, making it easier for photographers to compose and review shots with greater accuracy. One of the most intriguing aspects of the Nikon Z9 II is its rumored video-centric features, which could be heavily influenced by Nikon's recent acquisition of Red Digital Cinema. This partnership has the potential to bring a range of professional video enhancements to the Z9 II, making it a compelling choice for filmmakers and content creators. One of the key expectations is the integration of Red's advanced raw video capabilities, which could improve dynamic range and color science. Additionally, the camera may adopt a more modular, cinema-oriented design, inspired by Red's high-end video cameras, to offer better flexibility for professional filmmaking setups. Advanced codec support is also anticipated, allowing for more efficient and high-quality recording formats tailored to professional post-production workflows. Another standout feature could be the introduction of content credentials, a built-in authentication system that ensures image integrity, an area where Nikon has previously hinted at innovations. There is also speculation that the Nikon Z9 II could feature a hybrid global shutter system. While Sony has pioneered global shutter technology in select models, it remains uncertain whether Nikon will follow suit. If implemented, this hybrid system would allow users to switch between traditional rolling shutter and global shutter modes, offering unmatched flexibility in various shooting scenarios. In rolling shutter mode, photographers would benefit from higher dynamic range and a lower base ISO, making it ideal for controlled lighting environments such as studio and landscape photography. On the other hand, global shutter mode would eliminate rolling shutter distortion while enabling higher flash sync speeds, a game changer for sports and high-speed photography. This dual-mode functionality could provide two distinct shooting experiences within a single camera, setting the Z9 II apart from competitors and expanding its appeal to both professional photographers and filmmakers. If the Nikon Z9 II integrates even a fraction of the rumored performance enhancements, it could set a new benchmark in high-speed professional photography. One of the most exciting potential features is the introduction of a 40 fps continuous shooting mode in full 14-bit RAW, allowing sports and wildlife photographers to capture fleeting moments with exceptional precision. Additionally, a 240 fps full-resolution JPEG burst mode could be revolutionary for high-speed applications, ensuring that no critical action is missed. Nikon may also introduce a RAW pre-capture feature, enabling the camera to buffer images before the shutter is fully pressed, similar to technology seen in competing models. Faster sensor readout speeds would further mitigate rolling shutter distortion, making the camera even more suitable for fast-paced environments. Improved autofocus algorithms are also expected to refine Nikon's industry-leading 3D tracking and subject recognition, making focusing more responsive in dynamic conditions. Furthermore, pixel shift capabilities, potentially borrowed from the Z8, could allow photographers to create ultra-high-resolution composite images, adding versatility for commercial and fine art photography. If Nikon successfully implements these upgrades, the Z9 II could outpace its rivals in both still photography and hybrid shooting capabilities. The Nikon Z9 II is expected to retain the same robust integrated vertical grip design as its predecessor, catering to professional photographers who demand superior ergonomics and extended battery life. A higher capacity battery, likely within the same form factor, should provide longer shooting sessions without frequent replacements. Additionally, Nikon is likely to introduce a vari-angle rear monitor, offering greater flexibility for composing shots from unconventional angles. The higher resolution EVF will also improve real-time preview accuracy, ensuring that photographers can see an exact representation of their final image before capturing it. These refinements make the Z9 II a reliable and durable tool for professionals working in demanding shooting environments. As the third largest player in the camera market, Nikon must deliver an exceptional flagship model to compete with Sony and Canon's latest offerings. The original Z9 set a new standard by eliminating the mechanical shutter, a first for Nikon's mirrorless lineup. To maintain its competitive edge, the Z9 II will need to introduce another groundbreaking feature. If Nikon successfully integrates a hybrid global shutter system, it could give the Z9 II a unique selling point that neither Sony nor Canon currently offers. This innovation could attract photographers from competing brands, encouraging them to switch to Nikon's Z mount system, even at the cost of replacing their existing lens collections. While the Nikon Z9 II may not introduce a new sensor, it offers meaningful upgrades such as the XPET 8 processor, improved autofocus, and a higher refresh rate EVF, making it a solid choice for professional photographers. Whether Nikon will introduce any revolutionary features remains to be seen, but based on the anticipated upgrades, the Z9 II is shaping up to be a worthy successor to the original Z9. Nikon's focus on computational photography, processing speed, and hybrid shooting capabilities ensures that the Z9 II remains a competitive and compelling option for professionals. As we await further details, one thing is certain: the Nikon Z9 II is a camera that will keep both photographers and videographers eagerly watching for its official announcement.